You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American singer, songwriter and producer. He's American, yes indeed, and that's going to become important in a second. If you want to learn more confusing celebrity names from music in particular, stay tuned. Got many more. British English, it's usually pronounced as Sombr, but he's American, and in the US, in the United States, his stage name is pronounced Sombr. Sombr, stress on the first syllable, Sombr. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.